चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Meanwhile, we're also learning that Amit Shah and Nitin Gadkari have also received calls for the cabinet berth. So it's getting more interesting by the moment, viewers. More and more names will coming up with. Anupriya Dal of the Apna Dal has also received a call. So 4 former Chief Minister Shah and Gadkari have gotten a call for portfolios. And let me remind you that it is also Arjun Ram Meghwal and Jitam Ram Manjhi who might be in the cabinet. H.D. Kumaraswamy has also received a call. Let's go back to Riyanka, who's outside Prime Minister's residence now. Riyanka, JP Nadda has at least moved from his residence to Amit Shah's residence. Are they expected to now head to the Prime Minister's residence? What kind of movement are we really expecting?
Well, we are yet to certain that because currently the movement have started beginning. We just saw JP Nadda moving out from his residence and arriving at Amit Shah's residence. We are also getting to know as per sources that H.D. Kumaraswamy has received a call and he's likely to be in the cabinet. Furthermore, Arjun Ram Meghwal and Jitim Ram Manjhi have been also receiving calls. So the movement of these leaders is quite likely. On the other hand, we'll have to wait and see. I'm currently here at outside the Prime Minister's residence. We will get to the details if at all the leaders JP Nadda and Amit Shah are arriving at 7 LKM or not. For that we'll have to wait and watch, but for now these are the latest updates coming in. I beg your pardon, several names are coming up when it comes to the portfolio calls, and we know how the JDU and the TDP leaders are also getting several calls, and from Shiv Sena and LJPRV. So we'll have to wait and see what happens next. Over to you.
Right, absolutely. Viewers, let's also tell you about the BJP seniors who are expected to be in the cabinet. Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari, Nirmala Sitharaman, Piyush Goyal, Manohar Lal Khattar, Basavaraj Bommai, Shiv Raj Singh Chauhan and Sarbananda Sonowal, apart from Biplab Dev. These are the BJP seniors who are expected to be in the cabinet. Meanwhile, from the allies, on your screens, we're telling you about the ally partners that are expected to be in the NDA 3.0 cabinet. From the JDU, Rajiv Lallan or, Lallan Singh. There's also Rajiv Ranjan or Lallan Singh. There's also Ramnath Thakur from the JDU, who is expected to be in this NDA 3.0 cabinet. The TDP is expected to get 3 cabinet seats, and these will be to K. Ram Mohan Naidu, Chandrasekhar Pemaseni, and D. Prasad Rao. From the LJP, Chirag Paswan is expected to get a cabinet. He is the chief of the party at the moment, and Shiv Sena is also to get 1 berth. Let's tell you that H.D. Kumaraswamy has received a phone call. Arjun Ram Meghwal has received is expected to be in the cabinet, and so is one leader from the Apna Dal.